أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام عليك يا رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. I talking to before still yet and now today from on by the YouTube account, and my YouTube account is Mr. Holy Christ ex Prophet, because I am Ummati, but the Christianity is the belief on me that I am prophethood. So this is the clear. Don't the difference each other who are prophet. So every prophet has different qualities and different uh, I think so fundamentalist and rules and regulations. But the Tawheed unitary is the best for the humanity, start to the Adam till to the P. Muhammad Sallam, and still to here I am talking about Tawheed, no God but Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So I that want to tell you, I don't think so. Where are the election in 2020? Who the term complete? The election will be done or not? I don't think so. But one thing is that start to the Pakistan. Pakistan is going to the bad side. I told again, because the Qadiani 8 MNA in a parliament from the hidden as called with so-called Muslim names, and Jewish are coming, and XYZ many news are surrounding here, and talking to about the Saudi Arabia Hajj Umrah. I think so is people must do understand what the problem, because you are not know about how to the kiss on Hajar Aswad, the stone of Aswad. So just I tell you the how the case of the Hajar Aswad, just like be uh, the Prophet name Muhammad Sallam has the by the hand and Quran hand, and that the hand of mouth and kiss on hand after the touch the Quran and the listening of the Prophet Sallam name, and this is like be that the Hajar Aswad. So if you going to the Hajj or Umrah, so Hajar Aswad is will be you do the kiss. So why are the coronavirus? Are you safe by the coronavirus? So this is the one hadith is like with that the not hadith but the quote of the Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala anhu is that if Peace be upon Sallam not do this act, I will never in my life do this. I just do this for a sunnat. So this is the scenario of the Hajj, and if you wanna scare in a God home, who the call Baitullah. So the Ajam, the non-Arabic areas, stay at home and kick out from your heart like the about Mawiya and Ali Razillah Ta'ala anhu, thinking bad thinking for them, so you will be saved the coronavirus. Because this is holiness, read Quran, drink waters many times in a day, and drink tea because the tea is uh, good for health, or milk. If not tea, so milk or coffee, but not cold, hot coffee. So now the come on to the Christianity. So I think so that the Christianity, if no united, Putin, trampled, XYZ, Korea, if fighting continuously, so is that be bad for the Christianity. I want a leader seat for the Pope. I don't support as a title the Christianity trampled and the Putin and the Justin XYZ. I just know the lead of the Christianity is that Pope, Francis Pope. So like be that the in a Muslim is a Khane Kaaba, Imam, leader of prayer of Namaz in a Makkah. So otherwise every leader not are has to believe on them, because many conspiracy and diplomacy are doing there where otherwise the democracy will be doing, and democracy is a Jewishism and the republicans are is a Christianism and kingdom is our Muslimism. So if a secular liberal, so is China irreligious, and India is a had been the done like with the Abu Jahal type of this act, like with the pray for the statue. But one thing is good of from the India, the Bhagwan Ishwar has no statue. If has, so destroy that. So Ishwar means uh, God, and God means is a Mabud. Mabud means is a Huda, Parvardigar, and the God name is 99 because the humanity mind just understand 99 names. Otherwise, God has many qualities, many names, who man humanity are not understand what is God. That's why the prophet comes in the world for the message to convey peoples of the God message and say to obey to me. So like with that, now the time of the Islamic views, the Malhama, and the Christian view, the Third World War, is going to the end. Because first is the British, second is the Soviet Union, and third is the NATO. And 4 day we are united. So my last message is that in this case of this coronavirus, so this is not enough for humanity. got very angry on humanity because world system, world's culture, media wise, entertainment wise, political corruptions, army misguided, and many things of that. But if you are a Muslim, so think like be that Allama Iqbal, be united for the haram. And you are the Christian, so be united for the uh, Baitul Muqaddas. I mean, so Jerusalem. The Jewish are no have eligible to the taking the power in Jerusalem, but the Christianity is had done, and Muslim also has a value of the like with that and existence the last in the past. If I going on in a past, so Muslim lead the Jerusalem and Palestine, now that the Israel after the Pakistan. So and now the last word is that the Altaf Hussain is our the example of that. Altaf Hussain from Pakistan, MQM London. Example is that one fish are all river and all pools and all like be the I think so dam or like be the otherwise one fish is a bat for the all fish. So and do the water dirty.